Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to log out from your FireKirin account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open FireKirin application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, you will see different games here. But you need to click on the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen, right next to the notification tab. After clicking on it, you can see different options. First is password, second is music, and in the last option you can see logout. Tap on logout button. As you can see that I have been logged out from my FireKirin account. To get logged back in, simply type in your username on the first field and type in a password on the second field and click on login button. So that is how you can log out from your FireKirin application. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.